All right, everyone, in today's video, as BTC continues its plummet to the downside, I'm going to show you what I am watching out for, with my trades and how we're going to progress to the downside here for BTC. For those of you that think we're going to just have a straight shot, or for those of you who think we're going to reverse to the upside, I hope to shed a little clarity and insights into what I am thinking as to how this is going to play out. I got a couple different scenarios that I'm watching out for. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you some targets as well that I'm kind of eyeing up. So this is Elliott wave theory, guys. I want to start by saying I kind of ran through some Elliott wave channels just to get a sense of where everyone's head's at. And I was disgusted. I could not watch anymore. I wanted to puke. I'm not going to name these channels, but it was so bad I can't even explain. If you have a sour taste in your mouth about Elliott wave theory, if you think Elliott wave theory is a joke, it doesn't work, forget everything you've seen in the past. Start fresh with this channel because you have never seen it done like this before. I guarantee you, if you want to learn Elliott wave theory, guys, I put together a free boot camp for you right here. It's in the free Discord. It's a 3-hour-long boot camp. You will learn the foundations of Elliott wave. You will get a good overview of how I trade. That is pinned in the first comment down below. Make sure you check it out. Just join the free Discord. It's right in there for you. And as always, if you want to actually learn how to implement this, you need to be in the premium Discord. You get access to all my trades. I posted this Ethereum trade that I'm in here. This absolute freaking monster. All my trades are posted. We do live streams. We do all that good stuff. Is to learn how to implement this. You need to learn by example. That's how I learned. Just click upgrade here, and you will get access to the premium membership. Right now, you have 2 days left to be a premium member, and then you get $20 off for life. You need to be a premium member by January 10th. It's a 2025 New Year's special. $20 off for life. Take advantage of it right now. If you want to get in premium, now is your time. All right. We're going to look at ETH as well. Let's get into this. So everyone, I notice everyone thinks I'm a little bit crazy for having such downside targets as 75K, 77K. There's fib targets there, guys. Overall, I want to see this come down, and it depends how this wave progresses. That's the main thing we're going to go over today. So if I get no solid pullbacks, no solid retraces here of this wave, and if we keep just kind of working our way down in a pushy kind of manner, I'm really going to be targeting the 786 and the 1 range. Just because there's no solid pullbacks. There's the only clear 1-2 is up here. I would have to consider all this a 3 into a 4 into a 5. I would have higher targets if that was the case. 86 to 90K. So it depends on how this wave progresses to the downside. Just from a liquidity standpoint, the price level I'm most interested in is the 77K price level. And that would play out if we do have some type of support right here. Obviously, there's these lows. We can get a little bullish and put in some type of a corrective structure here, correcting this initial move down. Because to me, this looks finished. We're going to go smaller time frames on this as well for you. But if we get this move, then this can be my 1 into a 2 into a big time 3, 4, 5. The potential for these lower targets will be there if we get a solid pullback here on the smaller time frames. Something else to watch out for if we do get this pullback. It's not a guarantee that it's dumping down here, and we're getting that right now. What I will be watching out for is a very complex flat correction where we have this flat to the upside, which I'm saying is finished and we're just coming down. But it could be a more complex flat correction where we have flats on flats on flats. Just like your girlfriend's booty, flat as hell. You know what I'm saying? So we can correct this, and it's just another correction down that breaks the low again. And then we get an impulsive wave that actually takes this high out even, and then we get our move down. And essentially your flat would be right here. That's your corrective structure. And we're just extending this out even further, guys. It can do that. In that case as well, still going to hit to the downside. Still going to come take this liquidity in one way or another after we get this corrective move, if we get this corrective move. And then there's potential for another pipe to the upside. I don't see all-time high getting taken out here, but I do see this as a serious possibility. Something to watch out for. If we get this correction, you better believe I will be having some TP zones down here in case, hedging against a complex flat correction, because on this Ethereum trade, I do not want to just lose all my profit. I do not want to just lose all my profit. I want to be able to lock some of that in a safe way. I try to trade responsibly, believe it or not, guys. So, you know, and this is the BTC chart. We can translate this over to the Ethereum chart perfectly fine as well. Now, if we are looking at this bullishly, and we are going to go smaller time frames here, guys. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing on the smaller time frames. So stick with me through this whole video. If we're looking at this bullishly, I can't, in good faith, get a bullish count that takes out the high. This whole thing just looks corrective of this. I've been saying this since back in here. You know, the whole thing's corrective of this. I can't ignore that fact. But if we need to entertain bullish possibilities that come up and take all-time high out, you would have to say that right here is some type of extremely extended flat correction. Here's where we bottomed on an impulsive wave for this flat, finished. That's a correction finished. Initial wave up right here into an extremely ugly, extremely deep flat correction. And then that's just our 1, 2, and we can 3, 4, 5 our way up out of here. That's how you would get it. Is it probable? Hell to the no. Is it likely? Hell to the no. Is it possible? Sure. Okay. Now, let's hit down to the smaller time frames and see what's going on here for you traders out there. We do trade over on Blowfin and we trade over on BitUnix. These are the two best no KYC exchanges out right now. I hook you guys up with the best promotions. Pin in the first comment down below if you want to try both these exchanges out. Blowfin, nasty, nasty, nasty deposit bonus. 10% cash back on your initial deposits, plus trading volume bonuses as well, all the way up to $33,000 for trading. You get airdropped right into your account. And then BitUnix, 15% off trading fees is their VIP 2 trading fee. You will get that when you use the link, and 20% deposit bonus on your initial deposits. Take advantage of that now if you want to give them a try. I use both of them. All right, going to the smaller time frames. What I'm seeing here for BTC is a good potential, a good possibility for this initial wave to be done. I have a 1, 2, all of this is 3, 4, an ending diagonal for 5. Over in the premium Discord, I was telling everyone I was watching out for this right here being an ending diag. Not that I was trading it, but this is what was shaping out. And it looks like it is just about finished. We have 1, 2, some type of 3, 4, 5. Depending on how you chop it up, it's there. Nice solid bounce off of here. You need to be careful of this being just a flat correction and we're coming down for some more in a big way. Be very careful with your trades right now, everyone. Be very careful. I am not trading this action. It's just not worth it for me. I may take a long down in here to see if we can get a solid move up. More than likely, it will give you some type of WXY situation. If it is going to correct up, there's going to be trade opportunities in here, guys, to trade the smaller time frames. But this whole wave down looks to be finished here to me. As of right now, not that I'm taking action on it, but what I'm ready for is some type of correction to the upside, correcting this entire leg down, and then we push further. I will be looking to add to my Ethereum short position. If we get a solid correction, I will take the opportunity to add to my short position, and there will be a good short trade to be had up in here if you are not in any trades. I will be letting my premium members know what I'm doing and where the good trades are at. Come over to premium, check it out. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates. This is the channel, if any, that you want to be subscribed to. Check out Blowfin. Check out BitUnix. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.